In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the sort function in Microsoft Excel, which is a great function that you can use to dynamically sort your data when working in Excel. So the sort function, kind of as the name implies, just sorts your data. But it's great versus the normal sort feature because it doesn't mess with your original data and it's easy to use. So to use the sort function, just equals sort, open parentheses, and the first argument is the array. So what do you want to sort? I'm going to bring it down here. So I want to sort this data right here. Specifically, I want to sort the data by year from oldest to newest. So I'm going to grab the data that I want to sort all the way down. I can do Shift Control down arrow to highlight all the data. And scroll back up real quick so I can kind of get back to the function. The next argument is the sort index. So which column do I want to sort on? Well, I want to sort on the year, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth column, right? So do 6. Now, comma. Now, do I want it to be sorted in ascending or descending order? Well, in this instance, I want it to be sorted in ascending order. One thing to note is that the only argument that's required for this function is the array. Everything else is kind of optional. The function will still work without it, but you might even use these optional functions arguments to have the function work the way that you want it to. So I want it to be sorted in ascending order. The last argument is by column. So depending on your data structure, you might want to sort it by column or by row. The default is by column, and because my data structure the way it is, I don't need to use this argument. But no, you can also sort it by row if your data is turned the other way. I'm going to close parentheses. As you can see, now my data is sorted by the year. Copy paste this header right here so you can kind of see what it looks like. But as you can see, now my data needs some formatting, obviously, but now my data is sorted by year without having made any changes to the original data source that I'm using. That's it. I hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.